With this, we have finished an overview of the core functionality of the project section. So that's going to give you a good understanding of how the template is working. The remaining tables, we can probably do a quick pass because they're pretty self-explanatory. So let's start with the invoices. I'm going to expand here for clarity. So the first page, which is the default, is arranging invoices by project, and it's going to give you a pretty detailed summary of all the elements. As with any other table, you can use the filters, so you can filter by status if you want. And of course, you can easily navigate to all your projects and easily take a look at the status of the invoicing for each one. Now you have more views. Well, the next one is invoices by status. And this is going to be grouped, of course, by status. So we have invoices that are due soon, ready to send, invoices that are overdue, and invoices that are paid. This is dynamic, so right now you have a total amount of 62,000 for invoices that are overdue, and let's suppose they paid you this invoice, so that number is going to change and that record is going to move to paid invoices. Then we have two tables that are very important, and these are the earned fees and the projected fees. Earned fees at any point in time is everything that you have already completed and it's in the past. This is going to show you every task that was completed already, and then it's going to group it by invoice. So it's going to tell you which invoice was sent and what were the amounts that were included in that. So this is a really good way to check the amounts that you're invoicing your client. So now let's look at our projected fees, which is the opposite of this, is every task that is not yet completed, how we're projecting that into the future. So the projected fees are going to tell us what the amount of the next invoice is going to be based on what you're planning to complete. Earned fees and projected fees are great to see what you have built up to this date and how you're projecting your fees in the next few months. So it's a really good way to keep your clients up to date.